Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll be making a gluten-free brownie using a mix of almond flour and rice flour. To start, we'll add 1/2 cup almond flour, 1/2 cup rice flour, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now mix all the dry ingredients together. For the wet ingredients, we'll start by melting 2 tablespoons of butter. Then we'll beat 2 eggs. Now add the eggs, the melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the dry mix. While we're mixing that, we can add some chocolate chips or nuts in and continue to mix until it's well combined. Now brush your tray with butter or oil. Or, alternatively, you can line it with some parchment paper. Now fill your baking tray with your brownie and set it to bake for 21 to 24 minutes in a 350 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven. Once it's done, you can leave your brownie out to cool for about an hour and enjoy. And as always, if you left a like, subscribe, or comment, we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.